Breaking the wall of unprotected glass. Mohamed Abdelkodous, Falling Walls Lab, Sendai.
Yeah, hi. So, glassy surfaces became part of our modern life. We are using them in cars, buildings, and many other equipment, such as solar panels and modules. However, they are vulnerable to dust, rains, and spoiling by other chemicals and material, affecting their performance and lifetime. In addition to that, this can lead to huge economic and human loss. Do you know that 10% of all car accidents occur during rain? This because of the unclear vision of the drivers. And up to 60% of solar energy efficiency decline is because of the accumulation of dust on the solar panel system. The conventional solution is to directly and continuously cleaning and maintaining them. However, the costs are so high. The costs are so high, and it is not a sustainable solution because the glass is not protected. So we developed NANO Surface-X. It is a nano-spray coating using hydrophobic nanoparticles, making the surface resistant to dust and other materials. We know that we have many other competitors, but with respect to other products in the market, our product has many advantages. Number one, it is multifunctionality, which means one product can be used to coat the glass of your car, the window of your house, and the solar panel on your rooftop. Number two, it is user-friendly. You can use it on your own without technical assistance or complicated processes. Number three, safety to humans and the environment. So toxicity studies showed that our product is safe for human use, and also its disposal caused no harm to the environment. Number four, the long-lasting stability. With respect to other products which last for few days or few weeks, our product is efficient up to 6 months, saving your time and money. Lastly, it is also suitability for different environments. You can use it in dry areas, in remote areas, in the desert. No problem. In addition, the visibility of our project. So we compared the direct cost of coating 1,000 meters square of my university building. And we compared this cost of the same cost of coating same area. And we found that coating with our glass is more sustainable and very cheaper. So our project has huge social and economical impact. Thank you.